Here's everything you need to know about stamped concrete driveway cost. Is it worth the premium? Here's what you need to know. Quick answer. Stamped concrete driveways cost $12 to $18 per square foot installed, roughly $6,000 to $9,000 for a 500 square feet driveway. The premium over standard concrete, $8 to $12 per square foot, is offset by a 25 to 30-year lifespan and 60 to 80% resale recovery in North Carolina's Charlotte, Raleigh, and Lake Norman markets. Stamped concrete has become one of the most popular decorative driveway choices for homeowners across North Carolina, from the Charlotte metro area to the Triangle, Raleigh-Cary, and the Lake Norman region. But the price tag often sparks a crucial question. Is the upfront investment worth it? Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project upfront, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in stamped and decorative concrete projects and operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and local concrete funds all materials and labor up front. This post breaks down the real cost of stamped concrete, what drives the premium, how long it lasts, maintenance obligations, and whether the investment pays off at resale. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, and the Lake Norman area, Mooresville, Cornelius, Davidson. The company specializes in decorative concrete projects, including stamped driveways that range from 400 to 1,200 square feet on typical residential lots. Stamped concrete typically costs between $12 and $18 per square foot installed, roughly 2 to 3 times the cost of a standard broom-finished driveway. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. A 500 square feet stamped driveway in the Charlotte metro or Triangle region typically runs $6,000 to $9,000 fully installed, including site prep, reinforcement, finishing, and sealing. This article breaks down cost drivers, longevity, maintenance, and ROI to help you decide if stamped concrete fits your budget and home value goals. Moving on to stamped concrete driveway pricing breakdown. The cost of a stamped concrete driveway breaks down into materials, labor, and finishing, and regional demand in North Carolina markets affects the final quote. National pricing ranges from $12 to $18 per square foot installed, but Charlotte Metro and Triangle contractors often charge $13 to $17 per square foot because of higher labor costs and seasonal demand spikes in spring and fall. Here's a typical breakdown for a 500 square feet driveway. 500 square feet total. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.